With the electrification of transportation and heating, we increasingly face challenges related to voltage quality in installations. If we want to perform power quality measurements at two different points in the installation, we need to ensure phase identity, meaning the phase affiliation at the measuring terminals between the 2 points should be consistent. However, this process requires phase identification on individual loads or circuits, particularly in larger installations. Determining phase affiliation under voltage can be challenging, as we can't always rely on tracing a single conductor. Gridphase is a new and innovative device that provides reliable phase identification of conductors under voltage anywhere in your installation. Let's consider an example of connecting a power analyzer. The analyzer is connected to the first location in the installation. To connect the power analyzer to the same phases at the second location, we use the Gridphase device. At the first location, we establish a reference phase frame. This reference point represents the phase to which other measurements will be compared. We can assign any of the 3 phases to this reference point. In our case, we'll set it to phase 1. At the second location, we use the Gridphase device to identify the phases under voltage. We see that the phase order here is different. Therefore, we adjust the analyzer's connection accordingly. When connecting the power analyzer, we're confident that the measurements are taken on the same phases, ensuring accurate comparisons. With the Gridphase device, phase identification becomes simple, fast, and reliable, regardless of the installation's complexity. With our device, you can ensure consistent phase alignment throughout your entire installation. For more information and to place an order, visit our website or contact us today.